Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be discussing how to change car on Waze. So, in order for you to do this, first thing is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device, and of course, make sure to turn on your GPS in order for you to continue with the app. Now, from here, you just simply select the menu icon or the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now you will have here the settings icon. It will be the third option. So go ahead and tap on settings. Now, here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the map display over here at the top. It will be on the middle. And now from here, you will have an option over here, car icon. And after that, as you can see, you will have multiple options over here that Waze has to offer. So pretty much this will be depending on you, and this will be based on your own personal preferences. And pretty much you can choose over here multiple icons, and I find it interesting because they provide so many variations of this. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.